tasty and twisty, yeah! Cakes typically need some sort of flour to get it right. I'm using Bob's Red Mill's all-purpose baking flour. Traditionally, a full stick of butter is necessary. Instead of dairy milk, I will be using Almond Breeze. 2 eggs. 3 if you want your cake to be extra cakey. I ran out of the other baking powder. Always add more vanilla. Always. You can use more butter here if you don't want to use oil. Oh, these chocolate morsels are going to work such wonders here. Some raspberries and blueberries will add color, flavor, and some factor of healthiness to the cake. Maple syrup will act as both a binder and a sweetener. Cinnamon is the perfect spice to go with the flavor profile of this cake. If you'd like, you can add chocolate powder mix to make it smoother. Mixer, mixer, mixer! Measuring equipment! They never fail! Wash your hands before you cook. Take your stick of butter and put it into a mixing bowl. Measure out your maple syrup and add that as well. Stir the two together until the butter has completely broken up and basically dissolved into the syrup. Crack open your eggs into the bowl and mix it all in. Vanilla. More vanilla. Measure out and slowly stir in your, I know. Slowly stir in your floury mix. One of these days I'll get a blender or mixer or something. Measure out your baking powder and add that as well. Make sure there are no clumps after mixing it up. Add as much cinnamon and chocolate morsels as you would like. Then measure and pour in your milk type deal before mixing it all together. Wash, then put about half of each of your berry packages into the food processor. Add some of your chocolate morsels, which you can melt ahead of time if you'd like, then blend it all up into a nice puree. Holy crap, hard pan! Spread or spray your baking pan with butter or oil, then pour in your batter. Fill it up about halfway. Preheat your oven to about 375 degrees, put on some trusty oven mitts, then put the pan in. I set my timer to about 40 minutes, but your oven time may vary. Have a snack while you wait. What? Oh, vegetables before dessert? The horror! The horror! Oven mitts, oven mitts, oven mitts. Take the pan out of the oven. By the way, make sure that you tested it by poking through it with a knife or something to make sure it baked all the way through. You might need to go around the outside of it with a knife, but you shouldn't have much problem getting the cake out of the pan. Take that berry puree that you made and spread it around the top of your cake. If you made a second cake, you can stack them with some of the puree between them to make a nice layer cake. Don't worry if some of your puree falls off the cake, because it helps it look more grotesque. Cut up a slice or 3 for your Halloween significant other and enjoy your festive treat. Great for Halloweens and parties. This is really good. Not too sweet. And the chocolate and the fruit go really good together. This is good. What was that?